Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. While most pickups are busy trying to look like luxury sedans, Mitsubishi just dropped something for the people who actually plan on getting stuck. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton Savana. For those unfamiliar, Savana is the name Mitsubishi reserves for its most hardcore trail-ready machines. And for 2026, it's back on the all-new mega-frame chassis. Visually, it's a punch to the gut. Finished in iconic rally yellow or forest green, it features a functional safari snorkel as standard. This isn't just for the look. It raises the wading depth to a massive 800 millimeters, allowing you to cross rivers that would swallow a standard SUV with its black-painted 18-inch. Alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack RT tires and a scratch-resistant roof rack. The Savana looks like it was born in a mud pit and raised on a mountaintop. Under that aggressive hood lies the heart of the beast, the 2.4-liter 4N16 bi-turbo diesel. It's the most powerful engine in the Triton lineup, pumping out 204 horsepower and 470 newton-meters of torque. But power is nothing without control. The Savana is equipped with the legendary Super Select 4WD2 system. Unlike basic 4x4S, this allows you to drive in four-wheel drive on dry asphalt to improve grip, or lock the rear differential when the terrain turns into a swamp. Combined with a reinforced suspension featuring double wishbones up front and a heavy-duty rigid axle in the rear, the Savana is designed to take a beating and ask for seconds. Inside, Mitsubishi has performed a clever trick. They've kept the Savana ruggedness but added 2026 levels of comfort. You get high-durability leather seats with contrast orange stitching, but you also get a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless smartphone, mirroring, and a 360-degree camera system to help you spot rocks on the trail. It even includes the Mi Pilot safety suite, adding adaptive cruise control and lane centering for the long highway drive back from the wilderness. Priced at approximately 350,000 reals, $70,000 USD equivalent in its primary market, and limited to just 80 exclusive units. The 2026 Triton Savana is a collector's item that isn't afraid to get dirty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this limited edition through a deep water wading test.